Hello everyone, this is Mark. Today we will talk about element 7.2 of ISO 9001-2015 standard, competence. If you are new to our channel, hit the subscribe button to be the first to watch our new videos. The organization shall determine the necessary competence of persons doing work under its control that affects the performance and effectiveness of the QMS. Companies typically address this requirement through job descriptions specifying skills, practical experience, education, and others. The following requirement, B, is also addressed through job descriptions, ensuring that these persons are competent based on appropriate education, training, or experience. So far we are good on bullets A and B. The next requirement, C, expects that where applicable, we have to take actions to acquire the necessary competence and evaluate the effectiveness of the actions taken. This can be achieved through additional education, internal or external training, coaching or on-the-job training, bringing in a consultant. Typically, organizations assess the effectiveness of such actions through employee performance evaluation or monitoring the quality of work. The following requirement indicates that we have to maintain documented information as evidence of competence. There are two parts to this process. For initial qualification, organizations maintain resumes or summaries of qualifications and experiences for their employees. The next step is to ensure documentation of the continual acquisition of competence that many companies call training programs. Businesses often address this requirement by creating training or skills matrix. Let's take a look at an example of such a matrix. On the left, the matrix lists all management system documents, operational procedures, skills like root cause analysis, auditing, specific software competence, and others. The right part of the matrix lists employee names by position with the target knowledge level and the achieved one. This exemplar matrix uses 4 qualification levels: 0 for not required, 1 is for aware, 2 is proficient, and 3 for an expert trainer. For example, our QA manager Jane Swan has a target for knowing internal auditing as an expert, and she has achieved this level. The matrix also shows numerous trends, such as employee summary achievements versus targets. For example, our QA lead, James, is expected to show a total knowledge level of 14 while achieving 20. Another metric we may find helpful is the number of experts per topic. Let's say we need to perform an 8D improvement project. Looking at the matrix, we can quickly identify that we have 3 experts in this area to lead our project. So far we have covered the summary page of the competence matrix. Now it is time to move to the individual employee training record. When we click on an employee name, the hyperlink takes us to the employee training summary report. This tab lists the training topics, the trainer, the date, the training duration, on-time completions, and the level achieved. Such a matrix is a quite common tool companies use to document employee competence and skill level. Depending on the size of your organization, you may use a single matrix or break it into the departmental records. Before you go, I want to show you a link to our free downloads, including this training matrix. Go to the Academy page on our website and look for your free downloads. This is all for today, guys. Thank you for subscribing, likes, and comments. Your support helps us promote our Lean QMS project. To learn more about Lean ISO management systems, check out my book, The Lean Revolution. You may find a link to it on Amazon below. Thanks for joining me today and stay tuned for the following videos. I hope to see you then.